It's a good exercise for voice projection. Put your hands on your belly, navel is here, and do this. All the power comes from the abdominal muscles. No effort happen here, no effort, shoulders relaxed, throat well open and relaxed, no effort, no tension here, only here. If it's well relaxed, when the air flows in, it makes no sound. You shouldn't do no, that's wrong. Right is relax a little bit more the throat by yawning. Well open, okay? Back to the initial exercise. Now with a sound. Ha, ho, ha, he, ho, hey, ha, ha, hey. And now a little bit more. Hoo, 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 hoo. Ha, 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 ha. That's laughter yoga.